What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi issues after update. Now to fix this issue, there are a lot of steps and methods, so please follow them step by step. So now first thing you should do is to simply turn on the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, maybe half a minute or 20 seconds, then try to disable it again and see if the issue is fixed or not. Or you can simply restart your iPhone and check the network after that. And now solution 2 is to simply go to your settings. Then what you should do right now is to simply go to Wi-Fi. After that, click on the eye icon beside the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Then choose forget this network. Then click on forget, and after that try to enter the same Wi-Fi and re-enter the password and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now solution number 3 is to simply change the DNS. So what you should do right now is to go to the settings again, then go to Wi-Fi and scroll down till you find this option right here, configure DNS. Tap on it. Then here it will show you two options, automatic and manual. Tap on manual. Then what you should do right now is to simply add DNS servers. So the first one that I'm going to add is 8.8.8.8 and the second one will be 8.8.4.4. Then click on save on the top right corner, and after that you can check if the issue is fixed or not. Now if you still have the problem, you can now jump into the next method. So now go to the settings, then go to general settings, and after that you have to scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Don't worry, we're going just to reset the network settings. So all the passwords of any Wi-Fi you have used before will be deleted. So you have to save them and re-enter them again. Now, after clicking on transfer or reset iPhone, you have now this button down below, reset. Tap on reset. Then it will show you these options. Tap on reset network settings. Then it will ask you to enter your passcode, and after that you can simply check if the issue is fixed or not. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.